All right, so for this video, we're going to review another lift chair that belongs to the Deluna series. Now, as you may know, the Deluna series offers three different options. You've got the Elara, the Dione, and the Titan. What we're going to review today is the Dione, or the Dione, or however you want to pronounce it. The official name is the Dione. But we're going to show you, there's two different options here. We have a medium and a large in the graphite, and you have the other color option, which is more of a brown, natural kind of leather look. Make sure you check the link in the description below or the specifications on our website to see the most recent fabric types and color choices. They do change from time to time, but this is going to be a Zone 4 lift chair. So you're going to have the option to do more than the Elara, which is PR-446, where it's just a Zone 1 chair with an up and down button, and that's all you get. You do have more options here, as you can see, because it's a Zone 4, and this is model number PR-446, which again is the Dione. So you have the option to control the backrest independently, the leg rest, the headrest, the lumbar, and you have the traditional Zone 1 options for the rise and the recline. You also have some pre-programmed options, which I'll demonstrate for you here in just a second. I also want to just show you on the right side of the chair, there is a USB charging port, which is going to allow you to charge your smartphone, tablet. You just need to get your USB powered cord or your cable, plug it in right there, and you're going to be able to charge your smartphone, which is an awesome feature. So let's go ahead and demonstrate the chair for you. Now, since it is a lift chair, I'm going to go ahead and use its lift feature. So I'm going to hit the rise button to bring it to the lifted position. I'm also going to take the time to say, if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more awesome content like this. So now that the chair is lifted all the way, I'm going to get into it, and I don't really have to use my leg muscles too much. I kind of just fall into it. Now I'm going to hit the big down button that says recline. And it's going to now take me from the lifted to the seated position, and then if I keep holding that recline button, I'm going to go into a full recline. Now, at any point in time, you could stop if you feel comfortable in a certain position. Like right now, I'm seated. Now the backrest is starting to go back, the leg rest is starting to go up, and eventually it's going to stop when it's in the traditional recline position. All right, so now that I'm in the full recline position, if I wanted to adjust my headrest, so if I wanted to adjust the headrest from here, there's two buttons for headrest. There's also two buttons for lumbar above that, or below that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the button for the headrest and show you the headrest motor working. So I can adjust my headrest up while I'm fully reclined. If I'm watching TV, that might be nice. Or you can use this button, which says TV, and it's actually going to put you into position that Golden Technologies pre-programmed into the remote that they know is ideal for watching TV, which brings the headrest up a little bit, and it has the legs up. So if you're watching TV, this is probably the ideal position that you want to be in. It also has another button that's a pre-programmed seating position for sleep mode. On the remote, it says sleep. And if you press and hold that button, it's going to take you into the position that is ideal for sleeping. These are technically considered sleep chairs. So what's happening now is the leg rest leveled out a little bit, the backrest is going back, and basically, oh yeah, I'll be back with you after a little snooze in about 30 minutes. I'm just kidding. So right now I'm in the sleep position. You do have the TV position, the zero gravity position, which is going to allow you to really feel the effect of the zero gravity, which is a term you may have heard of. And it feels like you're floating technically. And after that, you know, you've got the sitting position, which we don't really need to explain. It's going to put you in a seated position. The other thing is you've got the lumbar support bar, which can come out a little bit and build that C-curve in your lower back. It's hard to see, but I'm working it right now, and I could feel my lower back arching out, which is providing me with some relief in my lower back. So if you wanted to control the leg rest independently, you use these two buttons surrounding the leg rest on the diagram of the chair. And I'm going to lower the leg rest here. You're going to see that the leg rest independently starts going down now. So if I wanted to bring it up with the other button surrounding the leg rest. If I wanted to adjust the backrest independently, I use the backrest buttons on the remote surrounding the backrest right there. So I'm going to hit this button here. It's bringing the backrest forward. If I use the other one, it brings it back. So just think about how many different seating positions you can come up with. There's tons of them in a Zone 4 chair. So this again is the Dione, and you can even use this memory button to find positions that you like and change those pre-programmed positions using these 4 buttons that read ZG, TV, sit, and sleep if you're not happy with the ones that they come pre-programmed with. Aside from that, I gotta say, this is definitely one of the most comfy chairs out there. It's got a really nice modern look to it, where you see in a lot of the home magazines where these types of natural earthy colors are being used. So I would say this is definitely going to be one of the most modern options. It's one of the newest options offered by Golden Technologies. And if you don't mind, I'm just going to take a quick snooze because this chair is so comfortable, it's putting me to sleep. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day.
And with the crotch shot.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or 2 max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.